Dear students, today I am taking the topic. Is there any way one can grow more from the same piece of land without extending the land area? Palampur seems to be a village representing the villages in western UP. In western UP, all the available land is cultivated. There is no land left without crop growing. At Palampur, we see farmers grow fodder crop like jowar and bajra during rainy season, means kharif season. After that, they grow potato during winter, means rabi season. The main crop which is grown is wheat. The farmers, after harvesting it, maintain a good stock for their own consumption. The surplus wheat is sold at the marketplace. Farmers there at Palampur also reserve some field for growing sugarcane, which is an yearly crop which is grown once in a year. Jaggery or rough sugar is made, is taken, is prepared from the juice of the sugarcane. After having reserved some sacks of jaggery, farmers sell the rest to the traders in towns. Farmers in village are able to grow three different crops in a year due to availability of a good system of irrigation. There are electricity run tube wells. These tube wells have replaced the Persian wheels, which is known as in Hindi Rahat. You can ask to your parents to tell you about Rahat, how it was, how the fields were irrigated using the Persian wheels, Rahat. Now they are able to irrigate more crop field within a few hours using the electricity run tube wells. In this way, it saves their time to devote to other tasks. Initially, there were only government run tube wells, but with the passage of time during 1970s, the farmers were provided facility to install private tube wells also. But all the Indian villages are not being provided such irrigation facilities. Only a few portion of the crop fields is irrigated. Rest is depend on rainfall. It is not more than 40% in the whole country which is irrigated. When more than one crop is grown on the same piece of land, जब एक ही piece of land पे एक से ज़्यादा फसल उगाई जाती है, it is known as multiple cropping. It is common method to grow more crops on the same piece of land. With this, the today's teaching ends here. Thank you.